This literally just got delivered by UPS. It's the new Moonlit Seduction palette, Pat McGrath. And she's doing samples now of the new essence, the rose essence. So that's pretty cool. Get to try that out. So I haven't even opened this yet. I figure we could look at it together. But look at this packaging. Like, stunning. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Like, the packaging is always so gorgeous. But of course, you know, you could leave it on. You could take it off. All of mine are naked, so to speak. I have all of them. That's part of the reason I got this. I can't not complete a collection. So we will open this and take a look. Let's see. Oh, and then we got the big X for 10. And this is how they all look. We've got the shade names here. And the palette. Ooh. Let's see, let's see. Oh man, they're so beautiful. Wow. All right, we'll do some swatches here. We have our guide with us. So the top left one, this one right here, is Skin Tense Glow. So it's definitely like a highlight color, inner corner, topper shade. I'm like a medium skin tone, so this could be different on different skin tones. So we'll do another swatch. Pretty. All right, and then the next one going across is Rosewood Romantique. So that would be this one. It's a muted rose, I would call that. Very pretty. Next one is this one, Platinum Dusk. Oh wow. Oh, that's super gold, super sparkly. Oh, I love that. That's gorgeous. Wow. It's hard to get sort of the full reflect, but oh my god, super pretty. Okay, going to probably the most special shade here is this one. That is VR Sextasy. Ooh. All right, let's do that one. Let's see what that ends up looking like. Okay. Oh my, that is stunning. You see the blue reflect? Oh my god. Wow. Oh, that's super special. I love the special shades that Pat McGrath does. Wow. That is stunning. Oh my god. Okay. I'm going to lose my mind here. These are so pretty. And last one across the top. This one is Astral Gold Lust. It's even messing with the filming here because it's so sparkly. Okay. Astral Gold Lust. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I love sparkle and glitter and everything in between. Oh my gosh. So that's the top row. It's just, oh, it's so pretty. Okay. On to the bottom row. We start with this one, which is Extreme Nocturne. So nice, deep, sort of, I'm gonna call it like wet brown. You know, like when it rains and the tree bark, it's kind of dark. That's what I would call that. A wet brown. And yes, my whole arm is still sparkly from everything else. The next one is Bronze Devotion. Ooh, that is super pretty. It would look good with that brown. And the one next to it now is Plum Cabaret. Call that sort of a unripe plum. That's how I would describe that color. When I think of a regular plum, I guess about the outside, the dark purple. So this would be more inside plum, maybe. But that's pretty cool. And second to last here is this one, which is Blitz Venus. Ow. The glitter on these. This is what I live for. Oh my gosh. And you can see the difference with the gold there. Wow. All right, last one. This one is Astral Lilac Aura. Let's see if we can get a focus here. There we go. It's a little better. They're so blinding. Just messes up the focus. Okay. Maybe. Wow. That is stunning. That reminds me of like a crushed diamond purple look. Like it's very light purple, but oh my gosh. Wow. Another stunning shade. I am very happy with this. As a Pat McGrath fan, this is absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to use this. But I had to show you guys first, since I literally just got it dropped off by UPS. I ordered it launch day. So shipping time's not too bad. I'm kind of across the country from where it comes out of, so. But yeah, that is the Moonlit Seduction palette from Pat McGrath. Mothership number 10. Like I said, I do have all of them. I also have all the quads. I feel like it's kind of like once you start, you can't stop. But I can definitely show more. And of course, here soon I will be trying out things on my face. But first looks of Mothership 10. Just enjoy the beauty.